Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again, because our visions softly prevail. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seeds when I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain, it still remains within the sound of silence. And restless dreams I walk alone, narrow street of cobblestone, deadly hollow by street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. The street at night, there's a sound of silence, and then the naked light I saw 1,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one can disturb the sound of silence. Don't say it, I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell, and they go in the wheels of silence, and the people that pray to the God of me, and the sun flies at each one in the words that